But there have been a lot of developments and updates happening as far as the JDS MP is concerned, because right in the thick of the Lok Sabha election battle, the Karnataka sex scandal controversy has rocked politics in the state as well on the national front. The controversy that erupted after several videotapes, explicit tapes, often sexually abusive material allegedly involving the JDS MP and H.D. Devegowda's grandson Prajwal Revanna started doing the rounds in Hassan. Now the state police filed an FIR also naming Prajwal's father H.D. Revanna in the case, and then Siddaramaiah Sarkar also formed SIT to probe the allegations. But the JDS MP, who is once again a candidate from the Hassan seat where elections have already been held in the second phase, recently flew to Germany as just the allegations began to mount. Now in a breaking development, Prajwal Revanna has been suspended by the JDS. The action that has now been initiated by the party. Let's also listen into what H.D. Kumaraswamy, the former chief minister, say, and especially when it comes to questioning the timing of the release of such explicit alleged tapes.
ಅಮಾನತುಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಸ್ಐಟಿಯ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಆದೇಶ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ಐಟಿ ತನಿಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರದಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕ್ರಮ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
Meanwhile, we have also accessed the formal JDS suspension letter, the letter which says that videos of Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna allegedly committing atrocities on women have been circulating on social media, and this has dented the party and the leadership as well, and thereafter such a step that has now been taken against Prajwal Revanna, where he is now been suspended from the party. However, the SIT that has now been found on part of the government, if it finds him guilty, then thereafter there would be even more stricter action that could be taken against Prajwal Revanna. He may also be expelled from the party. This is now the development that is now coming in. We also talk about when it comes to the ally of the JDS, which is the BJP, when the same question was posed before Union Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the sex tape scandal in Karnataka. This is what he had to say, saying that we can never tolerate when it comes to insult to Nari Shakti.